December 23rd, 2018. We're here at Canaan Valley Resort. We're gonna do some snow tubing. Went skiing yesterday, it was perfect conditions. Today it's about 32 degrees, so it's not too bad. Aubrey's back there. She wanted to go snow tubing, so yeah, we're here. Got 2 hours to do this, so we're gonna try to make some good runs down here and then go in and warm up with some hot chocolate. See you then. So at 1,800 feet long, this is supposedly the longest snow tubing slope in the mid-Atlantic region. Today they have 7 slopes open, but they're blowing snow to make probably 3 or 4 more slopes. So here with local skier Aubrey Castile, she has a couple pointers to give you the best possible snow tubing experience here at Canaan Valley Resort. Aubrey?
You're gonna want to tuck yourself real tight in a ball and stay real close together and tuck your chin like you're going down a water slide, and then you'll get nice speed and you just keep going and don't worry about what you're gonna hit at the bottom.
Some would say you gotta put it in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, some would say you gotta put it in 4-wheel drive. That's all for now here at Canaan.
Alright, we've almost reached our time limit here for a 2-hour session snow tubing here at Canaan Valley Resort. Alda, what'd you think?
It was awesome.
Alright, yep, we'll be back. See ya.